In this video, I will show you how to create custom animated banners on Discord. Now, as you can see, my banner is currently not animated, but I'm going to show you how to animate now. So the first thing we're going to do is we just want to go over to this website right here. I will link this in the description below. And once we go to our web browser and actually open this website, as you can see, it'll load up to this panel like so. What we want to do from here is we just want to scroll down and actually select any of these banners that we want to have. And as you can see, there's a bunch of options here, but in this case, I'm going to go for the glitch banner. So once you do that, you just click on the banner like so. It's going to bring you to this panel like so, and you just scroll down a little bit, but you don't want to scroll down too far. These are other similar templates if you want one of these templates that are similar to this banner, but you just put your name in here. In this case, I'm just going to put my name right so. And then once you put your name or Discord name, whatever you want your name to show up here, all you have to do is you scroll down and click on the render option. Now, when you click on the render option, this will actually allow it to be downloaded and make it available on your Discord profile. As you can see, when I scroll down a little bit like so, these are the banners that have popped up. We can actually download the static one, which anybody with Boost can have, or we can download the static one, which anybody with Boost can have. In this case, I'm going to download the animated one. You just click download, and then it'll download. It might take a second, and then you can just go to your Discord like so. And once you're back on your Discord page, and then click on the edit user profile, click on your banner, and then you click on the add banner option. As you can see, when we upload this image like so, we can just click on it and then click on the open feature. And as you can see, when I click on the apply option, we can actually add this if we want it to be a little bit zoomed in or not, and then click on apply. And as you can see, when I go back to my Discord panel, the animated banner has now successfully been added. Now share this with a friend who also needs to spice up their Discord game.